Soaring high, with wings so wide, the eagle flies with regal pride. With eyes so keen and talons strong, it surveys the land, all day long. From mountain peaks to valleys deep, the eagle soars, its secrets to keep. On sturdy branch, it rests its head, a symbol of strength, revered and spread. With wings outstretched, it protects its own, a nurturing parent, to the bone. So let us honor the mighty eagle, a majestic bird, beyond compare. May its spirit soar, forevermore, in our hearts and minds, evermore.